if I make it out to New York, will I miss the sunset drives?
Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Ariani, also known as Uptown Beauty, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to be reviewing Merit Beauty. Merit reached out to me and they were like, hey girl, we want to send you these products and you can pretty much feature them in any video that you want. So I decided, why not do a product reviews? Product reviews is something that I love to do. So without further ado, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want me to continue to do more product reviews, and make sure to comment on this video letting me know which one was your favorite product. And without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the review. So the first product from their collection that I will be reviewing is their Perfecting Complexion Stick, which is a concealer and stick foundation. When it comes to the packaging, wow, it is seriously luxurious. It is luxe. It feels luxe, and compared to the price that you're paying for this, it absolutely feels fantastic. I absolutely love that they made it kind of like affordable, and that you can actually, you know, feel the luxury in it. So I really absolutely like that. I feel it doesn't cover a lot. This is pretty much for the woman that wants to just not go out with makeup and just want to look presentable, but do not want to like spend too much time in getting ready. This is a absolute perfect choice for you. So if you're looking for a foundation that is going to do both, you know, it's going to be, I feel like it's buildable, but I don't think that would be a good idea because it does feel kind of like on the oily side of things. Like it's not gonna be matte unless you put a powder on top. But this is perfect for someone that is looking for very light sheer coverage, that wants to look well put together, and somebody that already kind of has like really good skin. You know what I'm talking about? The next product that I will be talking about is their brow gel. Now the brow gel does not necessarily do much for me. It has like a slight hold to it, but I do like the tint. So if you want your brows to look more fluffier, like that, you more fuller, then this will be the product for you. I feel like this product will be great for that person that is looking to make their brows look fuller but naturally. Like my eyebrows are naturally like full, you know what I'm talking about? It's like a cheat code to that. And yeah, it's a decent product. Like I don't have a lot to say when it comes to this product, just that it is decent and it is perfect for that girl that is looking to get their brows to look more fuller. It does not have like a hard hold, but it does give you the illusion of fuller brows. Now, one of my favorite products, I have two favorite products, and this is one of them, is their mascara. It is really like dark and it makes them look really full. I absolutely love that about this, and I really like it. Again, I'm so impressed with their packaging. Their packaging is like one of the things that I was most excited about. But again, this is a line for that person that is just looking for minimal coverage but that wants to look like naturally beautiful. Again, this is in the minimalistic wave of things. So if you are that person looking for something that you can do quick and easy, then this is for you. And I think their mascara is their top product, if not like top two. Their next product that I will be talking about is their tinted lip oil. Again, this is like fighting there with the mascara, because the tinted lip oil is, I feel like it makes your lips look fuller, if you know what I'm talking about, and it definitely hydrates them. I love the color payoff, and it's just beautiful. It applied beautifully. I Oh my god, it feels amazing. It does feel like an oil, but it just feels amazing, and it is super hydrated, and I love the color. It just looks super cute. I have nothing bad to say about this lip oil. Now the third thing that I will be talking about is their cheek color. I actually applied it on my eyes and on my cheekbones, but I really like the color payoff. It looks absolutely stunning. I was a little bit afraid that it was going to be too dark for me, but again, these products are super blendable, so they're going to really blend well in the skin. I felt like it was blending really good on my skin, so I actually love that. It doesn't have any scent. It doesn't have any scent. Wow, that's something that I didn't notice, but the products do not have any scent, but I really like their cheek balm. And last but not least, we will be talking about their highlighting balm. Now this is a product that honestly surprised me, and this one is also a favorite of mine, because the highlighting balm, it looks like it's gonna be like blinding your eyes, you know, when you look at it in the packaging, but it's actually really subtle. It actually reminds me of this product. Oh my god, I forgot the name, but I will put a picture here somewhere here on the screen. It reminds me of this product, and I like it because it's like, if it has shine to it, but it just gives you like a natural glow. Like I feel like this the highlighting balm, you could use it alone. Like you don't even have to wear anything. It just looks like it makes your skin really hydrated. Have you seen those girls in these videos and their skin looks really hydrated, but that's because they have applied like moisturizer or an oil to their skin? I feel like you can achieve this with this, and I really like that. I like that it's not too shiny. It just actually looks like in a way like sweat, but it's not oily sweat. It's like a cute sweat. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much what I have to say about about Merit Beauty. I actually really did enjoy using these products, and I feel they will be perfect for that person that is looking to look cute without put in minimal effort. I know it's called Merit Minimalist, but it truly stands up for what it is. So if you are that person that is just like, let me look like I didn't even try, like I'm naturally cute, or enhance your natural beauty, this brand you're gonna really like. And I feel like this brand can become like a thing, you know what I'm talking about? Like it already is. Like we already know that the makeup community is truly moving to a more like laid back, in the general, of course, because we will always have people that love a beat face and a full face, but in general I feel like the wave now is like we're all, because of the quarantine and all of that, we're just like enjoying like just putting minimal effort into makeup. And I feel like this brand is for that person that is looking to look cute without putting any effort. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please comment below with your favorite product, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
I kept the feelings distant, wishing with them all away.